In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your company logo to Klaviyo. Setting up your brand's identity within Klaviyo is an essential step in creating a cohesive and professional look for your marketing campaigns. So, let's jump right in and walk through the process together. Starting off, once you've logged into your Klaviyo account, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the dashboard where you'll find the menu panel. From this menu, you'll want to locate and click on the option labeled Content. This area is essentially your gateway to managing the creative elements of your Klaviyo campaigns, including the images and branding elements that make your brand unique. With the Content section open, you'll see various options nestled under the broader category. You'll want to select the subcategory called Images and Brand. This is where Klaviyo allows you to store and organize all the visual assets that you'll use across your email campaigns. It's a great hub for ensuring everything adheres to your brand's aesthetics. Next, shift your focus to the top of the page where you'll see two tabs. Hover over to the Brand tab. This section is crucial for maintaining the consistency of your brand across all communications. Within the Brand tab, look for an area labeled Logos. As you can see, this section is specifically designated for storing your company's logos in various formats. Having your logos saved here ensures that they're easily accessible whenever you're crafting emails, saving you time and hassle in the long run. Now it's time to add your company logo. You're going to click on the button that says Add Logo. This action prompts a new window or pop-up where you can choose the logo file from your local machine. Make sure the file you're uploading is the correct logo version you wish to use. Common file formats often include JPEG and PNG, but ensure it's of high quality so it renders well across different devices. Once you've selected the file, hit the Upload button. Klaviyo will take a moment to upload and save the logo to your account, and just like that, your brand's logo is now integrated into your Klaviyo account. Having your logo uploaded means that you can easily use it in all your email templates and campaigns, reinforcing brand recognition each time your emails land in a recipient's inbox. And there you have it. With just a few steps, your company's logo is now part of your Klaviyo brand assets. This simple yet important task lays the foundation for robust brand consistency across your email marketing efforts. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. See you in the next video.